May 25th, the week of Bitcoin Vegas. I mean, we had a 106 or so, 10 something, and now I open positions. My Discord server on my trading group. I told you guys about an hour ago or so. Welcome to Sunday Night Live with Oscar Ramos, guys. How we feeling? This week will go down in history in my life. In due time, you will know. But yes, gotta be strong, and God is good, guys. Very happy for that. Welcome, fam. How you doing? There's my fam. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, fam. Look at what I got for you. The green. We got the green. Now, guys, why are we seeing green? Best question of all, right? We have, let me see. Before I start, we're just barely going in a few minutes. Welcome to everybody watching us from all over the world. If this is your first time here, I'm going to say it like it is. You're not going to like everything I'm going to say. That's good. Because that is exactly what people are not doing on YouTube. They always want to tell you what you want to hear. And sometimes we're going to have some big retracements because Donald J. Trump said we're going to impose 50, recommending, right, 50% on the European Union and 25% on Apple. So, yeah, of course, that is terrible for the market as news. And that crash a little bit, flash correction. But that doesn't mean that the whales are just going to be like, oh, you know what? We're going down to 70 once again. No, guys, no. It only means, fam, that this is a chance to buy the dip, and I hope you guys did, right? Michael Saylor buying, at 110, 112, and they keep buying. XRP, fam, how you doing? 300 people right here. Let's go. All my beautiful, blue, those are the moderators. They're the best. They're the best, right? They know really what's going on, and they're traders. I got them on my Discord, right? Guys, this is gonna be okay. I opened the position on Bitunix, and I opened a 10x position. I kind of wanted to do 20x, but I'm like, I didn't want to. Look at this. Look at this. I did it today. Today, if I had done 20x, that will be double, right? Today, right now, almost 500. I could close it right now. I could close this right now, and I just made $400. For some of you, $400, it's a lot of money. And for me, it is a lot of money. For all of us, it is a lot of money. But you see, when we talk about trading, we don't do it so you sign up and nothing happens. We talk about trading because if you're looking at macro, if you're looking at what people are saying, like 6 minutes after the post was made that the European Union, Donald Trump had delayed the tariffs till July, I'm like, let's buy. Let's buy. He delayed the tariffs. Buy, dude. Be bullish. Buy. That is a buy signal. Do it. I did 10x. Some of you, my lovely degens, some of you did 100x, and you're crushing it, and I love it. I know, Ghost. Chipper. Some of you, what's up, Brandon? Good to see you. I have some degens here watching. I love you guys. So, yeah, for sure, fam. If you are willing and able to put more risk, just know that it's gonna go like this. So you gotta close positions. You gotta be willing to take profits, right? You gotta be willing to watch the charts carefully, right? Because the charts go in, go out, everything. You caught me, Oscar. I'm up 400 right now. Oh, really? Only 400? Come on, I thought you were much higher. But yeah, guys, it's good. It's good. Cheers, fam. Obviously, we're celebrating now. We got more news. Yes, we got. Here it is. 2 hours ago, I saw this. 42 minutes ago, European Union says it's ready to move quickly to negotiate a new trade deal with the U.S. Sounds like China to me too, right? Sounds like Canada. Sounds like Mexico. Donald J. Trump. This guy, man. This guy, man. He's just providing the dips. This guy is providing your dips, guys. What's up, Dan? Good to have you, buddy. Welcome. Oscar, can you point out the RSI and explain if it's looking good? That's a great question. RSI. Let me open this a little bit here. We're looking at the 15 minutes. So that should be good. The 4 hours, yeah, it's not even overbought, so it can go higher. Indeed. Yeah, the Bollinger Bands right here, we're looking at 111 close. The weekly candle, we're closing to higher, right? And the previous close so far. The weekly candle is coming closer to an overbought. It's been week after week after week after week for Bitcoin, right? Now, XRP, guys. Where's the XRP army here? Let me find it for you. Oops. Oh, man, what a week. XRP is allowing you, literally, XRP is allowing you guys to buy the consolidation. You're not buying the dip per se for XRP. You're just buying the consolidation. I was in Ohio, I remember, when the XRP price was doing very well. Or like, yeah, it was sometime in Ohio. Or, yes, after. I mean, we're just crushing it, man. I was last year, we were having fun. Oh, it was December. I just remember it was December. So yeah, it was like around 260 or so. Like we've been at the same price, guys, for a while for XRP. That's what you're seeing on the screen. But if you go back, look at this. This is from July, so summer, or go back to June 2023, all the way to October 2024. That is 500 days. That is 500 days. Thank you, Ghost. Oscar is clicking your BTCC link. The only way to find you on BTCC. Yes, brother. That's the link right there. Planets. Sign up. You guys want to do it? You guys want to start? That's the best place to go. For reals. For reals. I have some intel. Profam. Where's my Crowfam? I'm summoning the Crowfam. Guess what? I told BTCC to list Crow. And guess what? You're ready. I'm so excited. They confirm. So I'm not posting this on X officially, but I'm just telling you so. I'm happy because I often have I often struggle to find a place to buy Crow outside of CDC. So I'm so happy. FY. Okay, so go back to daily. So XRP fam, it's going to be like this for a while from what it looks like. But what's moving today? Hey, what's up, Alberto? Good to have you, buddy. Welcome. Very happy to see my Sunday Night Live community here, which is so good. We went to 62%. That was mid-May, when the altcoins were doing well. So we need this to go down so altcoins go back up. Let's go ahead and find Bitcoin price. There you go. That's a bullish signal. Look at that. Look at that. Everybody do me a favor and smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notification bells, and sit down, relax. We've been doing this for years now. Where's the people? Or the thousands of people that we had in the bull market? Where are they? 2021. Where are they? I don't see them. Many of them gave up. Many of them couldn't continue because this is not for the weak. This is not for faint-hearted. Making multi-millions, retiring your bloodline, and achieving financial freedom is possible. It's really, really possible. In a quick amount of time, compared to working 30 years for a company, at least. Because that's what's traditional, right? Or having 2 jobs. Or, I mean, nothing wrong with that. But if you're watching this video, the title of this video is not how to achieve a maximum Roth IRA so when you retire, you have $1 million. No. That is not that's not why I'm making this live today. I'm doing this because we're going full degen long term. We believe that we can make our lives greater than ever before, achieve our goals financially, and provide for our families and have a great, successful life. That's what I'm here for, fam. Right? I'm so excited, bro. Gonna do well. Imagine not buying Bitcoin right now, right? Waiting a year or so. And then in a year from now, the price is $250,000, $250,000. And then you, okay, I think it's time to buy. Guys, I remember when Bitcoin was 70, 80, 85. And I was like, dude, that is so expensive, bro. Who is buying this? Who is buying Bitcoin at $85,000? Bro, no. 90, 95, 100. And look at us now. It's up to you guys. But when BlackRock, banks, countries, the US, Trump, and everyone is jumping on this ship, what are you then supposed to do, bro? Just watch from the sidelines? I don't think so, guys. I don't think so. So I've seen the success firsthand when I went to Dubai, when I went to Singapore. If you are really loving those scenarios, you can get it for sure. But if you just want to be wealthy and have a great life with the family and your beautiful house and all of that, you still can, right? So as we have a nice conversation with my 600 people watching us, what's going on, guys? And welcome to all of this video. All crypto is starting live, right? All crypto is moving today. Why? Well, because we got some news, of course, and there's always going to be things moving. Michael Saylor, you know, I only buy Bitcoin with money I can't afford to lose. Treasury Secretary, you know, Ben says the United States is going big on digital assets. Passing the stablecoin bill is just a start. Bitcoin is up over 350% since Jim Cramer told investors to sell back in 2023. Well, let's hear it.
Bitcoin went up today, and I could argue that now it can't even be held in banks. Bitcoin's a strange animal. I will say point blank, I think it's being manipulated up. It was being manipulated the whole time by Sam Bankman-Fried. So please don't assume, therefore, that it's not still being manipulated. And I would sell my Bitcoin right into this rally. And believe me.
So, you see, guys, look, people tell me I don't know anything, and, the whole hating, I get it. I welcome it. But there's some experts, right, in stocks, and they don't get it either. Like, they don't get it. They don't know what they're talking about, right? Look at the price of Bitcoin in 2023, $24,000. $24,000. The price of Bitcoin back in 2023 of this video, $24,000, guys. I'm just saying, man. Right? Big Dad in the house, Chipper in the house. Welcome, fam. Reason why the early weeks are heavily bought is to calm down over the weekend. Thank you, Big Daddy. Mike TJ in the house. Oscar Kramer is a loser. Very looking tradings. Kramer, yeah. It happens, really, right? Inverse Kramer, I know. Let me get my, there you go. And I need the house a little colder, so we'll put this thermostat. There you go. What do you think? 75. 74 before we go to bed. Go to the price. Here comes all the 72, 73s. All these pumps are super cycle. We got another super cycle in November when the ISO 222 tokens go live. But yeah, what do you think about BTCC? I used to hold BTCC, not anymore. It's one of those supply chain, that in the past did really well, but I haven't really done my due diligence more on BTCC for sure. Stock people don't know what's happening. I know, right? I know it happens too. Very happy to see new people here, new faces, because believe me, you might feel it, or you might think I don't recognize you, but if you come often, your name is right here. All of those blue, they're all friends who I met here on YouTube. All of those green, easier to see because you're a member. But I remember your name, sorry guys. Now today, the pricing and everything right now, the last 7 days this week, hype, guys. I have no idea what hype is. I'll do my research for sure later, but it's unstoppable right now. $12 billion, man. Hype, hyper liquid. Yeah, having done my research, it's been a tough week, but 47%, then 35%, 27, 25. Some AI, a little bit of Monero is doing well too, so it's really nice. Alcon season 27%, 69, right? Pretty cool. There's obviously your meme coins that are exploding. Stop crunch. Should we go long on an XRP tonight? What leverage? I wouldn't go long until we have some more confirmation, in the 4 hours, in the 1 day. It looks good. Don't get me wrong, right? But Bitcoin right now is the one leading the market. So that's why I opened a Bitcoin long, and I told my community, and I'm up in that one. Altcoins right now are still iffy, so just careful on that. Things can change as we go to bed, right? And we wake up, come back, and we're like, okay, let's see what happens. But that's why you buy and hold. You buy the dip. You buy the dip, you keep holding the line, and in due time, it explodes. The bounce is due to Trump and the EU chief reaching an agreement on tariffs. Yes. July. Exactly how we said it. Thank you, buddy. What's up, Chipper? Dangerous Dave in the house. Good to have you, buddy. Welcome. CHCBCN. Mommy, what's up, mommy? Yeah, that one people have telling me, but I don't have it. See you since AMP days. Ernest, hey buddy, good to have you, bro. Oh, those AMP token days, man. I believe when AMP token was actually exploding like big, big, big. My most people that we had, years ago was like 400, 450 watching AMP token live, and I had a lot of beautiful community back then. But things change, change. And I'll tell you, fam, that we are always looking for opportunities. Today, I made a video for you, and I'm happy that people responded well. Charles Hoskins, and I gave you the the backstory how Charles he used to not like the XRP community, but things change, people change, and that's the beauty of life, and that's the beauty of crypto, right? But change, you can change all you want, but as long as you don't compromise your values, you don't compromise, you know, that what you are, your core values. So it's good, that we have more people, friendly people, because we need them. Let me move this so you see the price, 234. There you go. Did Oscar not say when China and Trump made a deal, what happens? Hey, we still don't have a deal with China. We're still waiting on that. Indeed. You're not buying Bitcoin at the all-time high. You're leaving money on the table. Oh, yeah. You remember that one from Sailor? Yep. Drinking the green, fam. Drinking the green. Oh, man. Crazy. Don't you know? Pump it up. 100%. How about the new CEO of BTCC? Yeah, I haven't had the chance because this week was, I'm telling you, man. Can't believe it. But I will have a chance, I'm sure, later on. I want to meet the guy. I met one of the VPs in Dubai, Dan. So this guy is gonna be great, I'm sure. I'll tell him everything. Like, I want BTCC, I want crypto to do well. So why not? Let me see. Let's do Coin Telegraph. 23 minutes ago, latest Dubai land development team up in with Control Alt to launch the real estate tokenization project, selecting XRP Ledger as the blockchain of choice. Telling you, fam. I'm telling you, fam. Listen to building. Not to me because I'm a nobody, but Ripple is not a nobody. Whale closing some short positions on Bitcoin, right? 15 million in loss. Boom. So it comes to show, guys, that sorry, it's just been a long day too. Oscar, remember XRP 44? They said you were crazy at $2. Bam, XRP BlackRock will happen future. Matt, what's up, buddy? I'm so happy that we have friends here that remember those days. Just about a year ago. It's May, bro. 1 year ago, Biden was the president. 1 year ago, Harris. No, Biden was still running because I remember I went to vacations, and that was like July or June, right? That he dropped and he endorsed Kamala. So a year ago, Biden was still running. Yeah, it's 1 year ago, bro. 1 year, like the world, bro, is so fast, bro. It's like, wow. Just 1 year ago, so much changes. So many changes. Thank you, Peter. Yo, had some busy days. Wasn't here for a while. You think we're for a bump up? There's a chance. I mean, I think the news about the delay. You remember, like FY guys, FY. One of the reasons that crypto did well mid May and May was because of Donald Trump putting a pause 90 days in the whole world except China. That helped Bitcoin to walk to 100,000 again. Altcoins haven't done much. Altcoins are still chilling and relaxing and, worrying about surviving. But Bitcoin is still very strong. You can see it right there. Debated on buying the dip today, and I bought Bitcoin instead of, and then you bought Bitcoin. Nice, brother. Great stuff. That's really nice. Trade on BTCC. How many X should I go with 1600 worth of XRP at this? You can go up to 500x on BTCC. I've done it. Obviously, done. Not financial advice, but you're gonna more than likely get liquidated. So, FYI, always do your research. So, when the time is right, or if you're scalping or doing some very, very advanced and pro trading, right? 90% of you don't know what that is. And I don't feel bad saying it, but 95% of you don't know what that very professional advanced trading. I'm not one of those either. I'm just saying, okay? I'm not like saying that I'm a pro at that level, but yes, it's for, different people that are traders at their core, You think 1300 XRP is good, Sergio? Yeah, of course. Thank you, Ghost. Yeah, bro. As much XRP as you can get before it blows up, you have it. You got it, bro. Let's go ahead and a bit smaller here. There. And go to, it's been a while. Fiat leak. It's been a while since I've been on Fiat leak, boo. Yes. It's been a while. There you go. Comes to show, right? All the places that XRP is bought. I love it, man, because when XRP was exploding past $3, like you could see how fast things were moving. Like if you go to Bitcoin here right now, you're gonna see velocity pick up little by little. There it is. Because people are buying Bitcoin. People are doing it, right? All the places, and mostly it's always gonna be. There you go. You see that? The speed? It's gonna be the United States. It's buying Bitcoin. Those big Bitcoin signs, it means that people are buying some heavy, heavy, heavy Bitcoin, right? Welcome to new subscribers. How's it going, guys? So yeah, it's a good reminder. Good reminder, guys, that things are for sure gonna pan out to be fine. Civic. Not sure about that one, brother. Tell me, talk to me, Mr. Yates. Thanks so much for the kind donation, bro. And I've seen a lot of people reach out about Civic. No. But take a look. 150 ZBZN. Whoa. Okay. No clue, no idea. Let's open X. AI PayFi and RWA here. US flag. Interesting. Okay, okay. You see? Look. Oh, my community put in some positions. My radar. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Payroll system, they're in the chat with XRP, bro. Oh, man. Oh yeah, thank you, I Ghost. That's nice too. My man Ghost. Appreciate it. But right now, guys, let's go to XRP. Oh, Solana is another one that I'm like cooking. Get that Solana before it's too late, you know? There you have it, guys. Boom. Reality, everybody. Welcome, welcome. So happy that you're here. Welcome to Sunday Night Live. Drop a like if you, of course, want to continue receiving all the updates. Every single day we come and tell you what it is. And every single day, like we tell you the news and you know what's going on. And I think Trump is helping make a lot of people rich with crypto. Obviously, the insiders are making way more money than anybody else. But still, if you're paying attention and you're paying, you know, some time, close time as to what's going on, you will know. You will know. Right? It's the idea as far as what really makes sense and what doesn't. Man, I had to borrow against myself with my XRP. Hopefully, I can pay me back before the run. Football, what's up, buddy? Good to have you. Welcome. Plus, guys, you know, and no music. We are getting to summer. And summer is going to be another place for us to, well, last summer, I remember like we weren't doing much. So this summer is not really exciting, that super exciting. Well, for XRP to stay at 2 before the next leg up to 3, 4, I mean, I wouldn't mind. But just telling you guys, I made another video this week. Somebody telling us, right, that we could see some major price appreciation in the summer, and as we head to fall, Q3, Q4 will be something where we just gotta really pay close attention. There's no election year anymore. Election year is in 2028, so forget about election year. There's no election year, so no, we're not worried about who's gonna be the next president in the United States. In next year, correct me if I'm wrong, please, because my brain is destroyed. But the midterms, right? I believe it's next year or 2027 or so. I think it's next year. So yeah, that's gonna be a big one. So it's gonna be election for the House, the Senate, you know, and all of that, governors and more. So that's a big one. And Trump is gonna be endorsing people and solidifying the Republican base. We'll see what the Democrats here in the U.S. do, because right now Democrats are just lost for sure. So it guys comes to show that 2025, the first year of a Trump presidency, guys, I'm waiting, right, for those big news. I'm waiting for those big momentum rallies. So ready for that, because we do gotta take profits. Will this be a super cycle where you see 150, 200,000 Bitcoin? You see XRP at $4 or $5. Will people take profits at that level? There are gonna be other people that are gonna wait till 10. But what if 10 doesn't happen until the following year or so? That is one of the reasons that trading helps you a lot, because trading, and there's Ghost here. Thank you for you know, sharing all the links. Ghost, by the way, is one of my great friends that I hired to help me with everything. And it's just, I got 3 people that are the best. And shout out to JB, Ghost, and TJ. And the more the better. I have another friend probably coming in soon too. So we're expanding. This organization is just starting, guys. Just barely starting. Like, I was actually doing everything on my own for so many years, but now as more and more resources come and we are expanding, like I need reliable people. I need friends. I need, you know, hands on deck. So 3 people that I know can go to the stars with me, and oh yeah. So one of the reasons that you join my Discord server, that's where I see the real people, and that's where I hire from. So we want to just give a shout out to the people maybe considering joining my Patreon, right? They all come from there for sure. Banks are trained on how XRP do the transaction with cryptocurrency. XRP being floated around with the banking world system. Nice. Elizabeth Warren for president. No, maybe not. That'll be too ugly, bro. That'll be too ugly. I was going to Alberto, but no longer I'm going. I was going to, but no, I'm not going anymore. Life changes so fast. But it doesn't matter what life throws at you. God is with you. And we're staying strong, and it's all happening for a reason. So yeah, I was gonna go, but no longer going. I'll be watching live. I'll be enjoying, right, all the news. I may be able to watch, the live feed. Who knows? Oscar, I give, but just don't join up. Sorry, but I'm with you, fam. No worries, buddy. Yeah, he paused tariffs on EU until July. Yes, he did. Yes, he did. Yeah, it's gonna be JD. It's gonna be the Trumps. But it's gonna be nice, to see what they're gonna say. They're gonna talk about USD1, of course, and Bitcoin. So we'll have Cynthia Lumens, the anti-XRP Brad Garlinghouse meeting person. FY. There it is, Bitcoin conference. So this is the big event coming, right, this week. Bitcoin conference, guys. Now, this is an XRP live, but Bitcoin is impossible to ignore. And I'm not Bitcoin maxis that we don't talk about XRP because that is against our Bitcoin maxi ethos. No. So FY. What's up, Matthew? We're going up little by little, bro. Little by little. Going to the 15 minutes. And to Bitcoin. There it is. So, guys, started this live telling you that we started a position and we're doing good. And I mean, the reason we got to be taking a look at the news, right? Taking a look at the news and preparing ourselves and our backs. So it still is a little bit over 4, not bad. So if you want to start trading, if you want to start investing, if you want to start getting yourself in, right here, right now, click the first link down below. Click the link on the top of the chat. Sign up on BTCC. I'll have a new page soon that's going to explain more. There's traderamos.com too. And enjoy all the free resources that I'm giving you guys, and just enjoy, trade, get ready, because best days are really, really, really yet to come. All right. I'm a Republican and my sister's a Democrat, and that's the subject we came and talk. I'm the one with a calmer demeanor and more open-minded. I'm down to earth. True. It happens, right? Yeah, Oscar, it's been a long time since I haven't seen you live. Have you been? Thank you for asking, Chris. Better now. Better now for sure. But I'm gonna sleep today so much. One of my family members has sleep apnea, and I couldn't sleep. Inside so I'm doing this. I'm about to end, but no, bro. It's really hard to sleep with someone with sleep apnea. And yeah. So now I'm by myself now, so right now I'm gonna sleep much better. I know. Oh no. That is a big exchange. Alpesh, thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. I'm here in Ripple as at Quarter Circle. Is that true? Not yet. And if they do, we go to the moon very quickly. Very quickly. Thank you, Flokies. Appreciate that a lot. My friends, big shout out to Ghost, to Chipper, to TJ. Honestly, guys, they're awesome. Right now, the price of Bitcoin, and crypto's holding well, but Bitcoin is still running, which is nice. Expecting Asia right now waking up, the Middle East, and many regions, Europe, being bullish and looking at what Trump just did. So that's why the reason why we bought. So stay put, keep an eye on it, and let's go. But up here, ended the live a little bit shorter today, but that's not gonna be the case. I'm sure next Sunday Night Live, and we'll be feeling much better, guys. God bless you all. Please take care. Be safe. Links down below. Thanks to everybody joining in and all my subscribers and all my donors. I'll see you next time, guys. You take care. Peace. Let's go, fam. Take it easy. Have a good one, guys. Nice. Ooh. Ciao, fam. Take it easy. Time for me to relax, go to bed, enjoy, and just eat something delicious. Peace.